Y'all, if you have super stinky cats, then you're going to want to listen up for just a second. We opted to upgrade our normal, just standard oil pan looking litter box to this fancy schmancy litter box right here. It was a little bit difficult for us to set up just because we had absolutely no clue what we were doing. Yes, we have a stool for this cat right here. She's got 31 paws and she's a little bit special needs and she can't jump really well. So we did get her a stool. But anyway, back to this litter box. See that super cool counter right there? It tells you how many times the cats go in and pee or poop, which is really cool. So you can pay attention to that counter and know if you need to change it. It does come with the tray on the bottom. It comes with the crystals as well. It has this button right here, which is the rake button. It automatically starts raking 20 minutes after the cat gets out of the litter box. So it senses them going in, and when they come out 20 minutes later, it starts to rake. It pushes all the clumpy, nasty poop or pee or whatever else you got going on in the litter box to the piece on the side, and this little end piece right here lifts up. But back to why it was hard for us to set it up is because we had no clue what we were doing, and my husband doesn't read instructions like a typical man, I guess. But anyway, that's where the poop goes in right there, so it stores it. It's not stinky. It's so much better than your typical litter box, you guys. I walk into my laundry room and I don't smell anything but fresh laundry and stinky feet because my kids put their shoes in there. But there's no nasty smell of cat pee or poop. You have to try this out. You have to get it. I would 10 out of 10 recommend it. I cannot wait to get one for the upstairs as well. And look, it even goes back by itself. It's so super cool, you guys. And it's quiet. It's not even loud. I would buy it over again in a heartbeat. So definitely a thumbs up for this one. It's awesome.